Hello everyone, and welcome to historic Casa Grande.
Today I will be taking you on a walking tour of historic downtown Casa Grande. This town was founded in 1879 as a railroad town and has since grown into a vibrant community while keeping its historic charm. This historic landmark is the Paramount Theater. It has been at the heart of the community's cultural scene since its construction in 1929. The street that we are currently walking on is Florence Street. Many of the buildings you see here date back to the early 1900s, each with its own story to tell. This charming town boasts a rich history, stunning vintage architecture, and incredible spots that you won't want to miss. This historic preservation project is located at the northeast corner of 3rd Street and Florence Street. The installation features 9 vintage doors, each representing a piece of Casa Grande's history as interpreted and transformed by local artists. It is called Doors to the Past. Downtown also has many nice restaurants, unique boutiques, cozy coffee shops, and is home to seasonal events, farmers markets, and festivals. There's a little something for everyone. This is the Neon Sign Park and is located at 408 North Sacaton Street. It is a free outdoor museum. This unique attraction features 14 restored neon signs salvaged from historic sites in and around Casa Grande, many of them dating back to the 1940s and 1950s. The park is a collaborative effort between Casa Grande Main Street and the city's Historic Preservation Commission. The signs light up daily from dusk until 11 p.m., creating a nostalgic and photogenic experience for visitors. The town showcases a lively array of public murals that highlight the city's deep-rooted history, cultural heritage, and a strong sense of community. The Black Box Theater, located at 407 North Sacaton Street, is housed in a historic Casa Grande Women's Club building. It was constructed in 1924. Today, the theater brings the historic space to life with community theater productions, live performances, and art education programs, preserving its legacy as a vibrant cultural and community hub. This is the Museum of Casa Grande, located at 110 West Florence Street. The Heritage Hall building that houses the museum was built in 1927. It was previously a church. Since 1964, the museum has been managed by the Casa Grande Valley Historical Society. It holds more than 50,000 artifacts, ranging from prehistoric times to the present, offering a thorough insight into the region's history. Unfortunately, the museum was closed during my visit. This is the Casa Grande Art Museum, located at 319 West 3rd Street. The building was built in 1929. This museum showcases a variety of exhibitions, celebrating local and regional artist talent, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the community's vibrant art scene. This is St. Anthony's Church, located at 201 North Picacho Street. It was built in 1935 and the rectory was built in 1936. Both buildings were designed in the Spanish colonial revival style. Well, that's a wrap on my walking tour of historic downtown Casa Grande. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more adventures. I appreciate you watching. See you in the next video.